You really got me, but I gotta move. Before I know I'm here, spread the news. Maybe in a while when I move around, I can find a way to bring you back to 20 pounds. Really got a lot of love that I wanna give, baby. I'm a mystery, but you know I gotta live. Tried another, but you didn't wanna know.
Alright, well, that was Bloodsucker by Deep Purple, and it's from their 1970 album Deep Purple in Rock. And this song is it's quite a ball buster, trying to play as fast as they play, but it's really a kind of simple song. It's broken up into little segments and phrasing and that kind of thing. So let me just show you a little bit just to get started. When the song starts out, he does a climb here from A to B, then he goes to D, so it goes like this, and he's going back to B, A to G, okay? And he plays a lot faster than that. So then it comes back in with the E on the E string, open E. So it's just a climb down from the G, F sharp, F, E, okay? So it's just the same phrase over and over. So it'll take a little bit of time for you to get lickety split like that, but you'll get the tempo. If you have a way to slow the song down and play along with it, you'll get your chops up real quick. So after they do that, they come out with the and he does two open E's. Then they come in with this phrase here. So just that all by itself is he's coming off of this A here on the D string, and he's sliding up to the B on the D string. Okay? here again, you're going to just have to figure out the phrasing because he's just playing on this. He's going the A to B to G, and this is all on the D string. Then he goes to the E on the A string to the D on the A string. Okay? Alright, so when he does that, he comes back up here. And what I do is, because I'm playing this note, I'm actually just rolling my finger over and catching the fatty part of my finger, okay? Not on the knuckle part, but on the fatty part. So here's how I do it. See, I'm actually playing the from the let's see, what am I playing here? It's a D. This is on the G string. I'm playing the D to an E. Okay? Alright, so it goes like this all together. Okay? Again, you're gonna just have to get comfortable with that rolling part there. Okay, so he's playing that over and over there, following with a different, slightly different phrase. So. Then he just comes back here to the G on the D string, to the D on the D string, on the A string. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Then he plays it again. And here we play this ending part here. So he's doing a slide here to the B on the D string. Then he's hitting the D on the A string, on the G string rather. Then he's coming up here to the E on the G string. Okay, so. Finishes it off with this walk down here from the E, A, G, or not G, C, then here to the A, G. So all together now it's. Okay, so you just will come back into that phrase that we just showed you in the beginning. All right, so after he plays that, now what happens is they play that, I think, 4 times, and instead of coming back with the instead of coming back with that, he comes back with a different phrase, which is this. Okay, so he comes back on this E string here. I mean on the E on the A string. Alright, so what he's playing here is this E on the A string, D B on the A string, B on the E string, and then it was doing a quick roll up here to the G on the D string. Whoops. Then back here to the E. Then he goes. Okay. So that's the D to the G and the to the E. Then he finishes off with this. He goes back to the D here on the A string and does a walk down, and not a walk down, but D, B, A, open E to the G, okay? So it's okay, see that? Okay, and so now the solos come in. Okay, you got the guitar solos and the keyboard solo. So when the solos come in, now what I do is I play this on the E. So all I'm playing there is the E, and I'm just, and it's something you'll get a feel for when you listen to the song, get the right tempo for that little like, the tempo, I can just call it the tempo for now. But what I do is I hit the tempo there, then I just do a quick climb from the A to the B. Then I do it again, then I go to the D to the E on the G string. Okay, so then you come back into that phrase again. And right back into the E again. Okay, and that's it. That's all I can show you. That's all we have for now. So, again, this is one of those songs that'll wake you up if your fingers are feeling sleepy. You know, it's a good warm-up song. Anyways, that's all I have to say about that. I think the next song I got on my list here is Manic Depression by Jimi Hendrix. I think that's going to be fun to play. So, see you then.